In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently handle customer communications using Outlook with Copilot enabled. Navigating through your emails daily can feel overwhelming, especially when you have specific customer details and email objectives to manage. But with the help of Outlook's Copilot, crafting personalized messages becomes not only easy but also highly effective. Here's how you can leverage this tool to streamline your email workflow. First, let's set the stage for a productive email session. Begin by opening your Outlook application that has Copilot enabled. If you haven't already integrated Copilot into Outlook, make sure to go through the necessary setup as it is an essential part of this process. Once you have Outlook open, it's time to gather and organize the relevant information you'll need for your emails. Take a moment to access your customer details and have a clear understanding of your email objectives. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for creating meaningful and targeted communication. Whether you're reaching out to clients to update them on new products or services, discussing project statuses, or simply checking in, knowing your goals will guide the tone and content of your emails. Now let's move on to drafting those emails with the help of Copilot. Start by engaging with the Copilot feature in Outlook. You can do this by highlighting your intent to Copilot, specifying the personalized touch you're aiming for, and laying out the details of what you'd like to discuss. Here, precision is key. The more information you provide, the more tailored and effective Copilot's drafts will be. Once Copilot generates drafts based on your input, you'll have a collection of email templates ready for review. The next step involves reviewing these drafts. Take your time to go through each suggested email. While Copilot's capabilities can offer highly relevant draft suggestions, adding a personal touch is always recommended. Look for opportunities to adjust the tone or include specific details that might resonate more with your recipient. Customization not only reinforces your brand's voice, but also ensures that the message aligns perfectly with your initial objectives. After making your custom tweaks, you're ready to send out the emails. Ensure that each message is addressed correctly and double-check that all the pertinent information is included. A quick proofread can prevent minor errors and contributes to a polished and professional output. With everything in place, it's time to hit send. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing that your communications are not only precise, but also genuinely personalized. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to using Outlook with Copilot to create personalized, effective email communications. By following these steps, you can enhance your email management strategies, leaving you with more time to focus on other vital tasks. Remember,